Today on CJ Off-Road, we're in the back of my two-door JK. We're going to be installing a set of these Poison Spyder grab handles for the back of your headrest onto the front seats. Now these are going to go on a two-door or a four-door from 07 to 18 JK, as well as your 2018 to 2019 JL Wrangler. This will help your passengers get in and out in the back, and in my case, I've got a storage container back here, so I'm going to put it on the back, that way I can climb in and out a lot easier than I could before. We've already got the headrest pulled off. We're going to slip these on and show you how they look. So as you can see, guys, I'm up in the passenger seat here, actually facing you, which makes it a little bit more difficult, but we're gonna go ahead and remove this headrest. Now to do so, on a 2012 and newer Jeep, and even the older ones, there's going to be a release on the inside of this and a release on the inside of this post, and you're gonna pull it straight up. Now, I gotta lean the seat back so it'll pull off. And as you can see, it's fully removed. Now, we're gonna grab one of these Poison Spyder grab handles. I go onto this post over here, and also that post right there. It's gonna slide all the way up. Then we're gonna put the headrest back into place and lock it down. And there you have it. It's just that easy. Repeat the same process on both sides. Now you've got a nice handle back there, especially for your four-door owners. Now to find these handles, as well as some handles for up here, and some easier ways to get in and out of your Jeep Wrangler, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com.